Hey guys, after tax season, I always run into a couple of things that happen often that I want to pass along to my clients and anybody out there that's following this. So, this year, what I'm seeing a lot of, and I'd really strongly suggest people avoid, is 401k or IRA withdrawals that are premature, meaning before you've reached full retirement age and are subject to the 10% early withdrawal penalty. Here's what I see that often happens. So, you take a 401k withdrawal and you think, okay, I'm in the 25% tax bracket. I'm going to pay 25% income tax on this. What inevitably happens in most of the cases I see is that the withdrawal puts you in a higher tax bracket, say 28 or 33%, and you also don't account for the fact that this is an early withdrawal subject to the 10% penalty. So that tax withdrawal, that withdrawal that you think you're going to pay 25% tax on, ultimately costs you 33 to 43% when you tack on the 10%, and that's not even including state. And so a lot of comebacks I hear to this from my clients are, no, I had the custodian withhold money. And see, what happens often in that case is that you don't tell them, or they don't suggest enough withholding. So you may think it's 25%, and the ultimate tax is 43% when you say you're in a 33% bracket and you tack on a 10% early withdrawal penalty. So it often leaves you thinking that you're covered. You file your tax return and you realize you have this large tax bill. And so it's a situation I would tell anybody, if they have any other option, to really avoid 401k withdrawals. Try to borrow against equity in your home. If you think you have the means to pay this back in a reasonable time, borrow from a family member, maybe even consider taking a loan against your 401k plan. But I would really strongly urge you, if it's the only option, get tax advice to make sure that you ultimately have the custodian withholding the right amount so you don't have a huge surprise at tax time. So if this is something you have a question about, consult somebody first. Get a little help on the front end. It could go a long way. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay dry.